Hello everyone and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to show you how to change the looks of your Google search engine from something like this, which is the white background, to something like this, which is a dark background. And I think it kind of looks cool to have this kind of look, and possibly when you make a search on this, it's going to look beautiful as well. So let's try. So to achieve something like this, all you need to do is to come over here and search for anything of your choice. Let's say we search for animals, and it brings in something like this, and you can go all the way down here to this gear icon and click on it, and then you can come all the way down to enable the dark theme, which is now off. You can click on it to on it. So once you click on it, it becomes on, and you have your dark Google search engine. Okay, so you can just go ahead and make your search on the dark mode, and I think it kind of looks cool and it can help you with your search. So anytime you want to search for anything, once you come to google.com, it's going to give you that black look, and I think it kind of looks cool. So you can try it on your own. You can enable yours if you want. I think you will enjoy it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and always remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.